Greetings YouTubers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you when is the best time to post videos to your channel. Every channel may have a different time to post depending on when your audience is most active, and to learn when your viewers is most active, head over to analytics right here, then head over to audience, and down below here you will see that when your viewers are on YouTube, and here's the local time depending on where you're from, and the darker areas are the most active times. So for example, here on Sunday, the most active time for my audience is between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So this is the time I should post. Okay, so I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips and tricks and tutorials on YouTube. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.